Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana and it has been a minute. I actually think it's been about 4 months since I've posted a Dyson Airwrap tutorial. But don't worry, today marks the start of regular videos again. So I'll have lots more Dyson Airwrap content coming on this channel amongst many other things. So make sure you hit subscribe. And also please let me know if there's any particular videos that you would like to see. Put your requests in the comment section and I will absolutely try my best to make a video on your request. In today's video, I am going to be doing a gorgeous salon blowout. And the reason why I'm actually doing this video today is because I have a new haircut. I actually have bangs now, so I just want to show you how I style my hair now that I have bangs. I'm going to be using the new large round brush. So first things first is pre-styling. However, you can tell that it's my first day back at YouTube in months because I just recorded the whole pre-styling process and realized that I hadn't actually hit record. So I don't want to like reproduct my hair, so I'm just going to show you what I used and not show you me putting it in. The first thing I used was this Red Ken bonding leave-in treatment. I put this in, this mainly just targets my hair health. It just really helps prevent split ends, it keeps my hair healthy. It's also got a heat defense in it and I just find that it helps my styles last longer because it's keeping my hair nourished because my hair is quite dry and that can cause my styles to fall out. Then I use a blow dry cream. This just gives like lots of like body and bounce and shine and volume, and it also smells incredible. Like, I mean, it smells like summer. It also has a heat defense in it too, so my hair is well protected. And the last pre-styling product I used, it is this Neil and Wolf volumizing mousse. Now guys, if you need some serious body to your hair, this is it. Also, it's amazing at keeping my styles like held in, like it's great for hold. So make sure I have these products linked in the description. And by the way, nothing in this video is sponsored. This is just all my own recommendations. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is style my bangs. Watson? No, I've got my puppy in the room and he keeps trying to attack the Airwrap. No, okay, like you can attack anything in this house, but if you go near this Airwrap, it's game over for you, boy. Let's remove this and we're gonna put on the Kwanda attachment, and you wanna make sure that you spin it round so the vent is here because this is what we're gonna use to blow dry. No! He's wrecking the place. And now he's gonna want this ball of hair that I've just pulled out of my hairbrush. I love you, but why are you so annoying? Okay, I'm just gonna start by trying to dry these kinks out that I've now created. Okay, now I am going to just remove this and I'm going to use the smoothing brush to try and now smooth out this frizzy fringe and add some volume or something to it. Oh my goodness, that has never ever happened to me before. I mustn't have had it clicked in properly. This is definitely probably the worst that I've blow dried my fringe since I've had it. I'm trusted to be on the day that I'm recording a YouTube video, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna give my hair a quick blast at the roots to get the roots a little bit dry before using the large round brush, so let's go. And guys, I just want to really quickly do a wee plug of my Dyson Airwrap course because I know that there's been like a few new colorways that have come out, and so a lot of you have probably gotten a Dyson Airwrap, and if you've gotten your Dyson Airwrap, it can be quite overwhelming going through all the content online to figure out how to use it. So I made a course, it's an A to Z course to teach you how to use the Airwrap, or even if you have a Dyson Airwrap and you're still struggling to get to grips with it, or to get your styles to last and just nail those techniques, the course will be really, really useful for you. So I will have that linked in the description if you want to check it out and sign up. Okay, so I know that a lot of people struggle to get their hair caught in the brush, and obviously unless I was watching what you're doing, I don't know what it is that you're doing incorrectly. So I'm just gonna actually talk you through this without the Airwrap on so you can see actually how I do it, and then I'm gonna turn it on and show you without talking. So I start by smoothing, so I place it at the root, I wrap the hair around, and I pull down. That is so seamless, like this. The great thing about the large round brush is that you can take a bigger section. If I had the smaller round brush, I'd have to take half of that. But because this round brush is so big, I can take a much bigger section, and it's just so much quicker at styling my hair. Okay, once your hair is all smoothed out, you're gonna get the brush, and then you're gonna roll it halfway up your hair, and I'm gonna leave that to set on a high heat for about 10-15 seconds, and then I'm gonna leave it to set on a cold top for 10-15 seconds. And there we go, guys. There's a nice wee curl added. So you can set that for so much longer and get more of a curl, but I just like kind of more like a loose little flick as opposed to like quite a big curl. So we've got the little small round brush on for this, and this is what the little small round brush is so handy for. Getting into like shorter pieces of hair with like your fringe and in and around your ears. Give the hair a bit of a brush. Here we go, guys. What do we think? That is a beautiful, smooth blowout. We have a little bit of flick, which I love, but not too much. Love it. To finish this look off, I'm gonna add some oil to the ends to inject a bit of moisture, a bit of shine, a bit of smelling like heaven. Gonna add a little bit into the fringe as well. There we go. That is the blowout complete. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short and sweet little hair tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please make sure you comment below. I will have all the products that I use in this video linked below, and I will also have the link to my Dyson Airwrap course. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button. That really helps support this channel. And also hit subscribe if you'd like to see more. I will see you next time.